Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off your mention on a deal record on HubSpot application. So how to turn off your mention on a deal record on HubSpot application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the HubSpot app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the HubSpot app. Next, tap the three-line icon at the top left. Tap Settings menu. Tap Notifications. Tap Deal menu. And tap your mention on a deal record. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off your mention on a deal record on HubSpot application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.